What if I told you that a single cup of coffee a day, roughly $100 a month, is all it takes to build a $1 million retirement fund? No six-figure salary, no stock-picking genius, no crypto gambling, just $100 every month, and the right account. Now I know what you're thinking. That sounds too good to be true, and honestly, I get it. We've all been burned by get-rich-quick promises before, but this isn't that. This is math, cold, boring, beautiful math, and it has been working for millions of Americans for decades. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up inside Fidelity, one of the most trusted investment platforms in the country, step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to your first $1 million, even if you've never invested a single cent in your life. But first, let me show you the number that changed how I think about money forever. Here's the core concept: compound interest. Einstein supposedly called it the eighth wonder of the world, and whether or not he actually said that, the math proves it right. If you invest $100 every single month starting at age 25, and your money grows at the stock market's historical average of about 10% per year, by the time you're 65, you'll have just under $637,000. That's already incredible. You put in $48,000 of your own money and walked away with over $600,000. But here's where it gets wild. Bump that up to $150 a month. That's one less takeout dinner per week. And now you're sitting at over $950,000. And at $200 a month, you've crossed the $1 million mark. $1.27 million to be exact. The secret weapon here isn't some hot stock tip. It's time. The earlier you start, the less you have to put in, because your money starts making money on its own. That's compounding doing the heavy lifting for you. Now, where should you actually put this money? That's where Fidelity comes in, and I promise you the setup is easier than ordering pizza. Before we get into the step-by-step, let me quickly explain why Fidelity specifically. Because there are a lot of platforms out there: Robinhood, Schwab, Vanguard, and they all have their place. But Fidelity is, in my opinion, the best choice for long-term retirement investing, especially for beginners. Here's why. Number 1. Zero account minimums. You can open an account with literally $0 and start investing the moment your first $100 hits your account. No barriers, no waiting. Number 2. Zero expense ratio index funds. Fidelity offers funds like FZROX, the Fidelity Zero Total Market Index Fund, that charge you absolutely nothing to hold. Zero. That matters enormously over 30 or 40 years. Number 3. They're not a startup. Fidelity was founded in 1946. They manage over $10 trillion in assets. They're not going anywhere. When you're building a retirement fund, you want a foundation you can trust. And number 4. Their mobile app and website are actually good. Setting up Auto Invest takes about 5 minutes, and once it's done, it runs on autopilot while you live your life. All right, let's build this thing. Step 1. Open a Roth IRA. Head to fidelity.com and open a Roth IRA. This is the most powerful account type for most people under 50. A Roth IRA lets your money grow completely tax-free, meaning when you pull out that $1 million at retirement, you don't owe a dime in taxes on any of the gains. That's massive. The 2024 contribution limit is $7,000 per year, which works out to about $583 per month. So our $100 per month plan fits perfectly inside a Roth IRA with room to grow over time. To qualify, you need to have earned income and make under $161,000 a year as a single filer, or under $240,000 if you're married filing jointly. If you're over those limits, don't worry. Google backdoor Roth IRA and we'll cover that in a future video. Step 2. Fund your account. Once your account is open, link your bank account. Fidelity will ask for your routing number and account number. Just grab a check or log into your bank app to find these. The initial transfer usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Step 3. Choose your investment. This is where people overthink things and end up doing nothing. Don't overthink it. For most people building a long-term retirement fund, one single fund is all you need to start. Look up FZROX, the Fidelity Zero Total Market Index Fund. This one fund gives you ownership in over 2,500 U.S. companies, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and thousands of others for $0 in fees. It's as diversified as it gets. If you want international exposure and diversifying globally is smart, pair it with FZILX, the Fidelity Zero International Index Fund. A simple 80-20 split between FZROX and FZILX is a rock-solid, professional-grade portfolio that financial advisors charge thousands of dollars to essentially replicate. And I'll show you a little trick in just a minute that automates all of this so you never have to think about it again. Stick with me. Step 4. Set up automatic investing. Inside your Fidelity account, go to Accounts and Trade, then Automatic Investments. From here, set a recurring transfer of $100 from your bank account on the same date every month, ideally right after your paycheck lands. Then direct that $100 automatically into FZROX or your chosen fund. You can split it however you like. And that's it. You've just built $1 million machine. It will now run in the background of your life, buying more shares every single month, growing and compounding, whether you're paying attention or not. Okay, remember I said I'd show you the trick? Here it is. The most powerful thing you can do, besides starting, is to increase your contribution every single year, even just $10 or $20 more per month. You barely notice it in your budget, but the compounding impact is staggering. Here's a real example. Let's say you start at $100 per month at age 25. Each year, you increase your contribution by just $25. So, year 1, you invest $100. Year 2, $125. Year 3, $150. And so on. By the time you're 65, you haven't just hit $1 million, you've got over $2 million, from a starting point of $100 a month. This is called escalating contributions, and it works because your income naturally grows over time. A raise at work, a side hustle, fewer expenses as debt gets paid off, all of that creates room to put just a little more to work each year. Inside Fidelity, you can adjust your automatic investment amount anytime in the same settings menu. Set a calendar reminder every January 1st. Increase my Fidelity contribution by $25. It takes 2 minutes and could be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now let's talk about what ruins this plan, because the math is simple, but the behavior is hard. Mistake number 1. Stopping during a market crash. When the market drops 20 or 30%, and it will multiple times over your investing life, every instinct in your brain will scream at you to pull your money out. Don't. When prices drop, your $100 buys more shares. You want that. The people who stayed invested through 2008, 2020, and every crash before and after came out on top. The people who panicked and sold locked in their losses. Mistake number 2. Waiting until you have more money. I'll start investing when I have $500 a month. That thinking costs you years of compounding. $100 today is worth vastly more than $500 5 years from now. Start small and stay consistent. Mistake number 3. Checking your account every day. Seriously, log in once a quarter at most. Watching short-term fluctuations will drive you crazy and tempt you to make emotional decisions. Your job is to keep investing, not to manage the market. And mistake number 4. Picking individual stocks. FZROX and a boring index fund will outperform the vast majority of professional stock pickers over a 30-year period. The data is overwhelming on this. Boring is beautiful when it comes to long-term wealth building. Here's what I want you to take away from this video. Building $1 million retirement fund doesn't require a high income, a finance degree, or picking the right stock. It requires one decision, made once and then kept. Open a Fidelity Roth IRA today. Set up $100 a month into FZROX. Automate it. Increase it by $25 every year, and then go live your life. The machine runs without you. The compounding does the work. Time does the heavy lifting. The only regret you'll have is not starting sooner. So, make today the day you start. If this video helped you, drop a comment below and tell me. Are you just starting out, or have you been investing for a while? I read every single comment and I'd love to hear where you are on your journey. And if you want to see exactly how to compare a Roth IRA versus a traditional IRA, and which one is right for your specific situation, I break that down in full in the next video. The link is on screen right now. Don't skip it. It's one of the most important decisions you'll make for your future. I'll see you there.